Happy Mail Queen. I have another haul for you guys. I went to Walmart today and also to Michael's. I had to go to Walmart because I needed some more storage bins, the large bins, because my husband and I are, I guess you can say we're doing our spring cleaning and trying to get rid of some things to make room for other things. So I did get some large bins, but our Walmart right now, they're kind of revamping it. They're reorganizing. No, they're actually trying to make it a little bit more upscale, you know, a little more, I guess, like Target. So they've added things. The aisles look a lot more stocked and whiter and just cleaner too. So, which, you know, I'm glad. Hopefully their prices are not going to go up. But anyway, so it was nice to go this morning after I dropped off my daughter because nobody was there. Well, hardly anybody was there. And so anyway, I checked, of course, their crafty section. So I did get a few things. So they had a big party, not a big, but a whole aisle of party supplies. And if anything, they had a lot of cards, you guys. Just tons of cards. Like 2 aisles of cards. I mean, I don't know why they have so many cards. But anyway, their party section, party supply section, they just have a lot more stuff, I think. Or they're just organized better. So it looked like a little party city. Anyway, I'm just kind of rambling. But so I got this. This is Hallmark shredded paper. But I do like the little gold, you know, specks in there. Or the little, you know, shiny crinkles. So this wasn't so cheap because it's Hallmark, so I think it was like 2 something. Okay, so there's that. I was in like their bead section, so I saw this elastic cord and I just thought these colors were pretty. I'm still in you know, doing my unicorn themed stuff, and I just thought this was really pretty, like, you know, kind of like a unicorn. So I did pick this up, and I do like the other colors. I mean, there's silver, and I do like doing the cording. You guys have seen my, the last time I did an embellishment box, or 2 embellishment boxes ago, I used like some gold, like twine. But I thought I'd try these, because I kind of wanted to play with those colors. I checked out their scrapbooking area, and they have glitter paper, they have, you know, other things, but this is the one that caught my eye. This one's called, it's by Colorbach, and it's liquid mercury, and they do have some individual sheets of like glitter paper. It wasn't a very good selection, so and then I saw this one and I thought, oh, you know, hey, that's holographic. That'll go with my unicorn theme. And so I went ahead and picked it up. And what's great about it, it was only, I want to say 98 cents, you guys. It was like pretty cheap. And the quality is pretty good, actually. It's thick enough, and it's, you know, pretty flexible too. So it kind of feels like American Craft, but it isn't. But anyway, I went ahead. It comes with 2 inside, so that's a great deal. And I wish I would have found another one, because I would have totally, I'm sorry about the glare, guys. I would have totally bought another one. But yeah, these are great. I think these are going to be fun to like even make bows and you know, my unicorn confetti. That's going to be awesome. So I picked that up, and of course I had to check out the beads again, and I went ahead and got some more of these because I think I'm going to gift one. And since I want to make more of the jars, the embellishment jars that I made, or bead jars, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I guess it's like an embellishment jar. So I really want to make another unicorn one. And then I thought this was really pretty. And, you know, again, for the same price, less than $4. I think it was $3.98 or something. You get 3 strands. And they are, I didn't even realize when I had picked the other beads up that they are, oh, this one's not Jesse James. There was one that I was looking at that was Jesse James, so I thought these were Jesse James. I guess they're cousins, cousindiy.com. So I just thought those were really cool. But they do have Jesse James beads, just to let you know, in case you've never really wandered in that aisle. But these are such a great deal, and so I did get one for a summer-themed project. Can't wait. For summer. Ooh, almost broke that. Okay, so anyway, yeah, I got those. And then I did see this foil stack, and I can't remember now. I don't know what I did with my receipt, but it wasn't very expensive, and I forgot. I think maybe it was 3 something. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the front. 6x8 foil cardstock, and you get 12, so you get 3 of each, and you get the gold. And this is more like a, you know, like an antique gold. I don't know, the finish is just a little bit different. It's not like super shiny and yellow. And then you get the rose gold, which is really nice. You get 3 of those. You get the silver, really nice too, and then you get copper. So I thought that was a pretty good deal in this one little stack. And as you can see there, they have created some notebooks. So that was pretty good. So I got that from Walmart. And then I just happened to pass by, when I got there, I happened to pass by the, I think it was like the bathroom, like, you know, yeah, like their bath area where they have towels and, you know, things for the bathroom. And this one caught my eye, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. And it was the only one left. It's like a, what is it called? Oh, it's a Mainstay brand, and it is a toothbrush holder. Which doesn't bother me because it doesn't look like it. I thought I can put my pens in here, but I just thought it was so cute. It's like a little, like a cafe. It's so cute. So I had to grab it. It had to come home with me, and it's pretty sturdy. It's nice so that when you put your pens in there, you know, they're not falling. It's pretty heavy. So I like it, and I like the fact that you can wipe it clean. It says wipe clean. So, I just like the pattern too. So I just had to have it. So I did get that. And then I checked the ribbon section because I always look at the ribbon section when I'm there. And I found these colors. Aren't they pretty? These were 98 cents each. They're a fray ribbon. And you get 3 yards. And they're 3/8 inch. And I just like these because, first of all, look at, it has like this iridescent, kind of a gold rim, or the trimming on the edges, and it's on all of them. This one's a little more on the gold side. This one looks really iridescent though, the lavender, and I just love the colors. I love how soft the colors are, and I don't know, I know Michaels carries this one, but I've never seen this one. I could be mistaken, maybe they have it, but I haven't seen this one. And you know, sometimes you don't find this pretty lavender ribbon like that color, so I thought it was really pretty. So I want to make some bows, and so I grabbed those for 98 cents. Love it. Okay, and then their party section, they had this streamer, and it was weird because they only had one type. So I don't know if they're restocking, but they do need to put more stuff in there. Let me just say, you know, more confetti and things like that. But I love this. I thought this was fun. And I think it was 98 cents. So I went ahead and got it because I want to make some rosettes out of this. It's like a fun birthday one. So that is what I got there. And then I was at Michael's because I had to return some storage that I decided I didn't need, and I wanted to exchange it for other storage because I'm gonna try out this new system and see how that works out for me. Plus I needed to get this ribbon right here, which is a striped black and white ribbon, so that I can make some bows. I've been forever wanting to get some of these. I have the other kind, but I thought it was a little too thick to make the bows. I basically want to make those Maggie Home bows. Maggie Holmes, the one that matches the carousel. And this was the only one I have, and I just felt like this was too wide. I want to make smaller ones. So I decided to get this one, and we'll see how that goes. And because I was looking for, you guys know I recently like purchased some of the carousel collection, but I did not see any bows online. I don't know. I would have bought it if I think I saw it online, or it's either that or it was like crazy expensive. But you get 5 yards of this one, and it's a 5/8 inch, and so I'm going to see how that goes. So we'll see. Maybe I'll try this one too. And I've had this in my stash for a while, so I really need to do something with it. But I really love those black and white bows by Maggie Holmes. And I recently saw a tutorial, a bow tutorial by Vero, who is Veronica Zamora. Hi girl, if you're watching my video. Yes, loved your tutorial, so I'll see if I can try that out. I do like the way you do yours. I cheat with mine, and sometimes I just use what do you call it, wire. But anyhow, it's kind of similar. So anyway, so at Michael's, aside from the ribbon, their beads were 40. Was it 40 or 50% off, I think. And then there was an additional 20% off. Sorry about that, guys. That is my son's alarm. Hold on one sec. Okay. The beads, the stranded beads, which is just the green label, they were 50% off. And then, was it 50 or 40? And then, today they had a 20% off all sale items as well, so I got this for a good deal. So I've had these before, but I thought they'd go with, well with my unicorn project, and so I got some more because I don't know how much I have of this, but that's going to be gifted anyway. And then there was something else I picked up. Where did it go? For my sea theme, I picked up this glass shell looking bead. So I thought that was really pretty. And I think that would go nicely with my other shells that I purchased. Like the seashells that I got from, where did I get it from? I don't remember. I hauled it. It might have been from Tuesday morning. Okay, so anyway, yeah, I got those two, and it was a pretty good price. I can't remember what it is, but so yeah, this is the divided case that I got, the iris. I think this one came out to, these are usually like $5.99, $6. It was like $2 something, so that was a pretty good deal. So I like this because you can use the dividers. You can reposition the dividers, and sometimes I want to put bigger embellishments. And then this is what's working out for me right now. So I had bought the other photo case, you know, the one that comes with like 16 of these in one big bin. I had returned those because I realized that's not really going to work for me now because I kind of changed my system, and I want to try just like just these and labeling them, and that's what I've done already so far. So like I'll, you know, whatever bling I'm using, I'm going to put it in one of these. Maybe this, I don't know. We'll see. But I prefer this because it's bigger than the one that comes inside that big bin. And sometimes my stickers are big, so I prefer to put it in this size. And there's the size right there. So anyway, I got a few of these, and these were on sale, so I want to say these were only like 98 cents. So I got like a few of those. And then lastly, I think, no, well, not lastly, but last of the storage, I did get some more of these. I do have some already, but I wanted some more, you know, just for Happy Mail, because these are nice and small and you can stick it inside your embellishment boxes. So, and these are $2.99 each, but then they were 50% off, and then with an additional 20%. So I think I got these for like 90 something cents too, like almost $1. Now the other Iris box, the one that, you know, the big one that stores 12 by 12s, those weren't on sale. I don't think actually, I don't think I got 20% off this one either, because these were door busters. So just keep in mind, you're not going to get 20% off the door busters, but it's still a great deal. And then lastly, I did get an additional 20% off this, and I decided to just go ahead and get this since I'm kind of getting the rest of the collection anyway. So I just think these are so pretty, and I don't know why I didn't see them before, but I have an idea for this one, and it'll go well with the other, with the paper and everything. And then these cute butterflies, these are so cute. And so, you know, 50% off plus an additional 20% off, so I went ahead and got these. So I can't wait to play with them. I'm just loving flowers right now. You guys know. I've been kind of stocking up on flowers. And then, what else? Oh, and then I just got these. But these were just 20% off. They're $1.99 because I want to incorporate that in my project as well. And I think that's it, guys. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. I promise the next time I do a video, it will be a project share. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.